There's a brand new marketplace launching that could change the way creators and affiliates earn online, and you have a chance to jump in early. The new platform is called OfferLab, and in this video I will explain without hype or exaggeration how it works and how you can make money with it. So what exactly is OfferLab? It's a collaborative place built for both creators and affiliates, and you can think of it as an alternative to ClickBank or Digistore. But OfferLab isn't just a product directory. It's much cooler, as you will see later in the video, and it has a potential to be the next big thing. That's why if you're watching this video shortly after it was published, it's important that you use your chance and jump in early. OfferLab was created by Russell Brunson, the co-founder of Clickfunnels, and if you followed online marketing space for some time, you know that when Russell launches something new, it's usually big. Moreover, OfferLab is completely free to join for both creators and affiliates, so use the link in the description to create your free account today while it's still early. Now let's see how you can use OfferLab to your advantage and make money with it. As a creator or a product owner, you can use OfferLab to find affiliates for your offers and get more traffic and sales. You can start by adding your products to OfferLab. Notice you don't have to create them from scratch. If you're already using platforms like Clickfunnels, Go High Level, Shopify and others, you could just import your products. Once you added the products, you can create so-called offers that can include multiple products, then a sales page and a listing for your offer. Also, you don't have to rebuild your sales page if you already have one. You can just import it to OfferLab using a default template or your own styling. How cool is that? To make it even better, you can add offers from other creators to your funnel and bundle everything into one seamless checkout. And OfferLab will distribute the payout whenever you get sale on your funnel. It makes the collaboration with other creators super simple and straightforward. Once your offer is inside OfferLab, affiliates can find it and promote it for you. You decide how much commission you want to pay, and the platform takes care of the rest. Tracking clicks, handling payouts, and keeping everything automated. Now let's see how affiliates can use OfferLab. If you don't have your own products, you can promote the products from the marketplace, earn commissions, and make money with OfferLab this way. Let's say you selected 3 products from the marketplace in OfferLab that you want to promote. You don't even need to build a funnel for them from scratch. You can easily stack together existing sales pages for these products in OfferLab in under a minute. Then you can just start driving traffic to this funnel, and OfferLab will handle the checkout and the commission distribution for you. Last but not least, one more way to make money with OfferLab is to promote the platform itself as an affiliate. And honestly, this is where it gets really exciting. As an OfferLab affiliate, you get paid for referring other creators and affiliates to the platform. Every transaction they make earns you a cut, anywhere from 0.5% to up to 2%. Here's a quick example. If you bring someone who adds a $100 offer to the OfferLab platform, whenever someone purchases that offer, you will get 50 cents without doing a single thing, if you're calculating with 0.5% commission. Now, 50 cents may not sound like a lot, but that's just one sale. Now imagine how much you can earn if that offer starts bringing in 100 sales, 1,000 sales, 10,000 sales every single day. A few more examples. Let's say you refer a creator who is making $1,000 per day on the platform and you earn 0.5%. You will earn $5 a day from that one creator. And then if an affiliate you bring in is making $5,000 per day, that could put $25 in your pocket each day. And I know those are not some crazy numbers, but it all sums up. Bring in some people with big audience, or bring in multiple people, and you're building a real passive income stream that keeps adding up without you lifting a finger. Now, OfferLab will also have optional upgrades when people you refer go through the sign-up process, and if they take those offers, you also will receive a commission. So I really hope you understand how awesome OfferLab is and how it can be a great opportunity for you to make money, whether you're a creator, a product owner, or an affiliate. The bad thing is that the platform is officially launching on September 3rd, and this is your real chance to get in early. Use the link in the description to create your free OfferLab account, start creating your offers, or select the ones you want to promote as an affiliate, Invite your community or creator friends to join and leverage the platform together. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to help you. Before you leave, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.